Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another first impressions video. Today we are reviewing another cream blush. I know it is kind of obsession of mine, but I love cream blushes and I'm always on the hunt for a great one. And I did a couple of reviews recently and I am planning actually to do a best of my cream blush collection video. Let me know if it is something that you'll be interested to see. Today we are reviewing another cream blush and this is new brand to me. Never tried anything from this brand. This is the Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. This is the packaging, really small and cute, and the shade it is called Golden Hour. Another orange coral blush. And this one is supposed to be super glowy and balmy, and I'm excited to try it out. This is the packaging. Looks really cute. Here is the logo, the brand, the shade, Golden Hour. Yeah, and you get 4.5 grams product here. This is the shade. Not the biggest fan of. Let's go with fingers first and then maybe we can try with a brush. Okay. Balmy. Okay, here is I picked up that much. Okay, it's really creamy, balmy. I'm gonna use a mirror. Ooh, it's pigmented. Okay, should we try right away with... Okay, I think I put... a lot of product. Let me try to blend it out with a stippling brush. Okay. I've seen people using really just their fingers, so that's what I'm doing today. Okay, what do we think? Is it glowy? I have, you can see on this side, I have sunscreen and also I use the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation, which gives me really nice glow from within, and I'm not sure if this is the foundation or this is the blush glow here. Not sure about it. Okay, what do we think? On the high points, on the nose, on the lid. So you can maybe see better the shade. Zoom in. Okay, orange, right? So it melted into the skin right away, pretty much right away, which is a good thing. And also it gives me, it melted, literally it melted into the skin. It gave me a little bit of glow here. It's a little bit sticky as a consistency. And also some on the lips. What do we think? This is the final look. Okay, I will update you in the comments below how it performed throughout the day, because it's around 10 o'clock now in the morning, and let's see how it will last, if it's gonna last like if the color, the shade will be that intense also in the evening. I will let you know in the comment. Let me know if you have tried some of the Tower 28 products. Let me know what are your thoughts, and have you tried some of their blushes? Let me know in the comments. Also follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, and I'll see you in my next one.